Today, I'm going to show you how to make a website with ChatGPT 5, step by step, even if you have never built a website before. This is a super simple workflow because ChatGPT 5 can help you generate the code, organize the files, and speed up the entire process from idea to live website. If you've been wanting to launch a portfolio, a landing page, a small business site, or even a personal project, this guide will help you get started fast. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. Once you're inside ChatGPT, go to Codex. Codex is where you can ask ChatGPT to help generate the website code you need. Now click into the message box at the bottom and type a clear prompt. A good example is, build a portfolio website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Use a minimal design. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will be. You can change the type of website, the style, and even the features you want included. After you type your prompt, press enter and let ChatGPT generate the code. Depending on what you ask for, it may give you an HTML file, a CSS file, and a JavaScript file. Take a moment to review everything carefully. If you want changes, you can ask ChatGPT to revise the layout, change colors, add sections, or simplify the design. This is one of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT 5 because you can keep improving the site before you ever publish it. Once the code looks good, save the files manually on your computer. Make sure you have an index.html file, a style.css file, and a script.js file if your website needs JavaScript. Keeping the file names organized is important because web hosting platforms expect a clear structure. If you're brand new to this, just remember that index.html is usually the main page that loads first. Now that your website files are ready, the next step is to put them online. For this tutorial, GitHub Pages is the best choice because it's free, reliable, and widely used. Go to github.com and sign into your account. Then click the plus icon in the top right corner and choose New Repository. Give your repository a name, like Home or Portfolio, depending on your project. Select Public so your site can be viewed online, and check Add a README file. After that, click Create Repository. Next, upload your website files. Click Add File, then choose Upload Files. Drag and drop your index.html, style.css, and script.js files into the upload box. After the files are added, scroll down to the commit section, type Initial Commit, and click Commit Changes. This saves your website files into the repository so GitHub can publish them. Now it's time to activate GitHub Pages. Go to the Settings tab of your repository, then click Pages in the left sidebar under Code and Automation. Under Build and Deployment, make sure the branch is set to main and the folder is set to /root. Then click Save. GitHub will begin preparing your site to go live. After that, wait about 60 seconds and refresh the Pages settings page. Once the deployment finishes, you should see a link that says your site is live at. Click that link and your website will open in the browser. That means your site is now published and accessible online. So that's how to make a website with ChatGPT 5. Generate the code, upload it to GitHub, and publish it using GitHub Pages. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and leave a comment if you want me to show you how to customize the design next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.